The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is not just another fighter jet, it is a flying supercomputer, stealth platform, and lethal combat system rolled into one. As the most advanced fifth-generation multi-role stealth fighter in the world, the F-35 redefines modern air power. With unmatched stealth, sensor fusion, maneuverability, and global connectivity, this aircraft isn't just about flying, it's about dominating. One of the most defining features of the F-35 is its radar-evading stealth technology, which allows it to operate undetected deep inside contested airspace. The result is an aircraft with a radar cross-section similar to a small bird, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar. The F-35 Lightning II, designed by Lockheed Martin, is not just the most advanced fighter jet ever built, it's also one of the most heavily armed and versatile aerial combat platforms in the world. When the F-35 is fully loaded with weapons, it becomes a multi-mission powerhouse, capable of launching devastating attacks in the air, on the ground, and at sea. Whether it's flying a stealthy first strike mission or going into full beast mode with maximum external armament, watching the F-35 get loaded with its lethal payload is a jaw-dropping demonstration of military precision and technological dominance. What sets the F-35 apart from older generation fighters is its ability to carry weapons internally to maintain a low radar cross-section. This stealth mode configuration allows the jet to remain virtually invisible to enemy radar while staying lethal. These weapons are tucked away inside two internal bays, maintaining the F-35's stealth profile during the initial phase of combat missions. When stealth is no longer a priority, such as in low-threat environments or during later stages of a campaign, the F-35 switches to beast mode, loading up to 22,000 pounds of ordnance. Beast mode features up to 6 external pylons, turning the F-35 into a fully armed strike aircraft capable of unleashing tremendous firepower in just one sortie. To achieve air superiority, the F-35 is equipped with cutting-edge air-to-air missiles designed to engage enemy fighters at both beyond visual range and within visual range. These missiles are fully integrated into the F-35's fire control system, allowing the pilot to launch with just a voice command or a quick glance using the helmet-mounted display. What makes the F-35 truly deadly is its ability to tailor its loadout to any mission profile, from air superiority to strike, suppression of enemy air defenses, or close air support. This flexibility gives commanders a true multi-role platform that can pivot between tasks mid-mission, adapting to battlefield changes in real time. The F-35's internal weapons control system uses mission data files to optimize every weapon based on the location, threat profile, weather conditions, and more. All of this happens inside a digital battle space, giving the pilot an edge that no enemy fighter can match. When the F-35 is fully loaded with weapons, it becomes one of the most deadly war machines ever flown. Whether flying solo, operating with a wing, or acting as a digital command hub, the F-35's combination of stealth, sensors, and firepower makes it a decisive force in any modern conflict. From surgical strikes to air superiority missions, the F-35 doesn't just carry weapons, it wields airborne dominance. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is one of the most sophisticated fighter jets ever created, with a weapons system that matches its futuristic design. But before this fifth-generation stealth jet can take off for a mission, it must be carefully armed with bombs, missiles, and other munitions. The process of loading weapons onto an F-35 fighter jet is a highly controlled, technologically advanced, and security-intensive operation, combining cutting-edge engineering with battlefield readiness. During this phase, the F-35's onboard systems are powered down, and the weapons bay doors are mechanically opened using ground commands. The F-35's internal weapons bays are the heart of its stealth capabilities. Loading weapons inside these bays is a precise task, usually carried out by small, mobile weapons loader vehicles and guided robotic arms. If the mission requires a maximum payload, weapons crews will mount additional bombs or missiles onto the external pylons under the F-35's wings. External loading adds weight and increases the radar signature, but it also dramatically expands the F-35's combat effectiveness and strike range. For the F-35A, the GAU-22's a 25mm internal cannon is loaded manually through a hatch near the wing root. This weapon is essential for close air support and last resort dogfighting. After loading is complete and systems are confirmed, the aircraft is officially armed and moved to the flight line. Armed security teams guard the jet at all times. The process of loading weapons onto an F-35 fighter jet is far more than mechanical, it's strategic, secure, and systemically integrated. From internal stealth missiles to beast mode bombs and advanced targeting systems, every step is designed to ensure the aircraft is battle-ready, safe, and surgically precise. This is how the F-35 transforms from a stealthy scout to a fully loaded, mission-dominating force multiplier, armed, informed, and always one step ahead of the enemy. The moment the F-35 Lightning II begins its takeoff roll, you're watching cutting-edge stealth technology, unmatched engineering, and sheer power in perfect harmony. As the most advanced fifth-generation fighter jet ever built, the F-35's takeoff is far more than just another liftoff, it's the launch of a lethal and intelligent aerial weapon, ready to dominate airspace around the globe. Whether it's from a conventional runway, a short airstrip, or the deck of an aircraft carrier, the F-35's takeoff performance is a masterclass in modern aviation. As the engine powers up, the jet produces a thunderous roar while remaining surprisingly quiet on radar, a perfect mix of muscle and stealth. The F-35A, used by the US Air Force, is a conventional takeoff and landing variant. It only requires a relatively short runway, typically around 3,000 feet, to get airborne thanks to its aerodynamic design and raw engine thrust. This rapid takeoff makes the F-35 ready for combat in seconds, allowing it to evade potential threats even during departure. The F-35B, the short takeoff and vertical landing variant, has a takeoff capability unlike any other fighter jet in the world. This allows the F-35B to launch where no other jet can, bringing stealth and strike power closer to the front line than ever before. The F-35C, developed for the US Navy, is tailored for catapult launches from aircraft carriers. With this capability, the US Navy can project stealth air power from anywhere on Earth's oceans. When the F-35 takes off, it's more than just a jet lifting into the sky, it's a strategic advantage taking flight. Every element of its design, from engine to software to stealth, works together to make that moment a symbol of power, precision, and technological superiority. The F-35 doesn't just depart the runway. It ascends into dominance, preparing to change the outcome of any battle before the enemy even knows it's there.